Join me for an elegant summer vlog. We are going to do some cut flower gardening, spend a night at the theater, some summer baking, and more today on the Daily Connoisseur. Hello dear friends and welcome back. Let's spend some time in the secret garden. I'm attempting to grow a cut flower garden here alongside my herbs and vegetables. I've been wanting to do this for some time, and this summer I have the time, so let's do this. I find gardening to be incredibly therapeutic. I joke with one of my good friends that I rage garden. That's when I'm pulling weeds, but today is more peaceful. Watson and I have a plan. I picked up many whimsical flower plants from the nearby nursery and am ready for beauty. I find that gardening brings out a lot of metaphors for life. In one of our raised beds, for example, a lavender bush and oregano took over the entire raised bed. They were both healthy plants, so I just left them like that, but truthfully, I don't need that much of either, and I would rather use the space for pretty flowers that I can make bouquets from. I decided to cut the lavender and oregano back big time, to the stalk essentially, to make room for what I wanted. Just because those plants were thriving didn't mean I couldn't cut them back, and so I did, and I made room for what I chose to be in there. I can apply this philosophy to many things in my life. I can choose what to do with my space, my time, my life, and I can add beauty there and cut back on anything that feels invasive. My plants are still babies, so the bouquets are small, but aren't they charming? I'm already loving this cut flower garden. I will often come out here in the afternoon with a cup of tea and watch the monarch butterflies. They love this purple flower. It feels so enchanting when they are circling around me. It's such a wonderful experience. Another aspect of cut flower gardening I've been contemplating is the parsimony of cutting the flowers themselves. I noticed that once I started this garden, I was afraid to cut the flowers. I didn't want to take them out. Do you struggle with this? I think many gardeners struggle with cutting flowers because they don't want to lose them or take them out of the garden. But flowers are often more abundant when they're harvested regularly. So there is another lovely metaphor. My cut flower garden is reminding me that beauty is not something that we should save for special occasions. I always talk about this with clothing, but it relates here too. The flowers are meant to be cut, arranged, and enjoyed today. In many ways, it's a reminder to live well now. A very Daily Connoisseur philosophy. Hello everyone, I hope that you enjoyed seeing the cut flower garden footage. The garden has come along so beautifully, and this little bouquet right here is the fruits of my labor. This is that beautiful orange dahlia and then the purple cosmos, and it's so pretty together. I just love this combination. So anyway, that is bringing me a lot of joy. You know that I'm planning a summer of beauty, and in addition to the cut flower garden, I have another wonderful update. Last night I went to the red carpet premiere of Primary Trust at the Mark Taper Forum in Los Angeles. Oh, this play was so good, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. But first, let's look at my outfit, because I wore an all Quince outfit. Quince have sponsored today's video, and I'm so loving my outfit for the theater premiere. I wore the blush washable silk maxi dress with their Mongolian cashmere wrap in oatmeal. And then for my bag, I chose this Italian leather woven clutch from Quince. Yes, they do handbags too. I have another one to share with you. But this clutch was so great because it's roomy. You can actually wear this as a crossbody if you want. It does come with a strap, but I took the strap off for last night and wore it as a clutch, and it just was really great with the look. So yes, Quince do more than clothing. They also do handbags too. And this is an example of one of their amazing bags. This is an Italian pebbled leather sling bag. You can wear this as a fanny pack if you want by adjusting the strap and wearing it around your waist, but I like wearing it like this because this is like the perfect errand bag. It's small, it's not going to hurt your back. It's quite roomy and fits not only your phone, but whatever else you need. And it's just wonderful, wonderful prices. So I hope that you will check out Quince. You can look at my link down below or scan the QR code, and Quince give free shipping and 365-day returns. So I attended the Primary Trust premiere at the Mark Taper Forum. Primary Trust is a Pulitzer Prize winning play by Ebony Booth, and the performance that I saw last night starred Petey McGee. He was amazing in the lead role. And it is a small ensemble, and it is the story of a man who has had a tragic event happen in his past, and he is navigating the world when he loses his job at a bookstore, and he goes on a search for a new job. And throughout that process, he comes to terms with what has happened to him, and it is deeply moving. I laughed, I cried. It was very good, okay? Totally deserved the Pulitzer Prize. So anyway, highly recommend it if you're in the Los Angeles area. It is playing at the Mark Taper Forum from May 20th to June 28th. I love going to the theater, and that's why I try to go several times a year, but I just love being in the atmosphere of a theater. It's so regenerating for me. I have a background in theater. I majored in theater at USC, and I did theater in high school as well. And just being in the audience, even in a beautiful theater like the Mark Taper, there's just something so magical about it. And I love the people watching. I love the actors, the plays, the music. Like it is amazing. So anyway, I hope that you can seek out the arts in whatever local productions are near you. And if you're in LA, I hope that you will check out Primary Trust. Okay, now I'm going to share a muffin recipe with you. These are peach oat muffins, and they turned out so good. I used sour cream in them. I will leave the recipe down below, so why don't you join me now for some muffins and a spot of tea. To make peach oat muffins, I begin by mixing together my dry ingredients: oats, flour, baking soda, and baking powder. In my KitchenAid now, I'm going to mix together the eggs, brown sugar, maple syrup, sour cream, that's the secret ingredient, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Then I mix the dry ingredients into the wet, and I add 1 cup of chopped peaches. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. If you're using canned, you need to rinse, drain, and pat them dry. Gently fold these in and fill your greased muffin cups with the batter and bake for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees in the oven. I'll leave the recipe for you down below. The muffins are done, and it's time for tea. I'm enjoying them with my Pembroke tea set from Ainsley, and I'm drinking English breakfast tea today. The muffins are delicious. I love these. Peach is a very unusual flavor for muffins, and the sour cream makes them creamy and tart. So delicious.
Hello everyone. So puzzling is my new favorite hobby. I love it. It is so good for my nervous system regulation. And I thought I'd share the puzzles that I plan to do this summer with you. So I don't know if this is a TBP, to be puzzled, like a TBR, but anyway, here is what I plan to do this summer. The puzzle that I'm currently working on is this Ravensburger puzzle. It's called Cozy Bathroom. It's a 500-piece puzzle, and this puzzle is a dream because look at this image. This is the image that we all need right now. We are this lady in the bath. She's in her bath. She is reading a book in her bath. I thought I was the only one who did that. She has a glass of wine. She is in a gorgeous French Victorian bathroom. Her French doors are open and she has a view of the Eiffel Tower. It's sunset. There is a dog that is so cute and a cat. I'm allergic to cats, but it's okay. I'm not allergic to the cat in the puzzle. And she is surrounded by candlelight and Monet's painting. This image is it. This is it. This is what is regulating my nervous system. I'm pretending to be this lady, and I'm really enjoying this puzzle. I started this in late April, but Maycember got to me and I barely puzzled in Maycember. So now I'm going to finish this puzzle this summer. The next puzzle I chose, I don't actually know what I was thinking because this looks so hard. It is a 1,000-piece puzzle. And I'm not familiar with this brand. It's called Coast by the Window, and I just found this on Amazon because I did like the image. And so this is an image of a desk with a view. I just love a good view. And there is an ocean with dolphins and butterflies and seagulls and boats and a seaside village. And there's a parrot and cats, and this painting is inside the painting. Like, there's so much going on here, and I think that this is such a whimsical painting. I also noticed some toast and tea, and I love it. It seems so magical and whimsical, but it looks really hard. In fact, let me see what the piece size is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the piece size is really small, but this puzzle does come with a big poster, which is nice. I found it on Amazon, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Look how nice this looks, right? That's my view. That's the view that I would like from my desk. And yes, I'm hoping it's not too hard, but I'm looking forward to doing it. And then the other two summer puzzles we have are these puzzles by White Mountain Puzzles, which is one of my favorite puzzle brands. I love them because the fit is so satisfying and the puzzles click together and they're really high quality. White Mountain is the only puzzle brand I happen to have a discount code for, so I will leave it down below. But in case you're wondering why we haven't done these yet, these actually belong to my daughters. I gave it to them for Christmas. And so I feel like I can't do the puzzle without them, and they were too busy during the school year, so I'm going to try to convince them to do the puzzles this summer. But we have beach umbrellas, and the artist is Joelle McIntyre. And that's what I love about White Mountain. They use real artists. It's not like an AI image. So this one is a bunch of beach umbrellas, and it's just wonderful. So nostalgic of a summer's day on the beach. And this one is Seaside Village, and the artist is Lois B. Sutton. And this just looks like a very charming European seaside village, perfect for the summer. There is a lady down there having some coffee with her dogs. And yes, that's what I like to do, is insert myself into these puzzles. So these are the puzzles that I plan to do this summer, and I will keep you updated. But the whole point of puzzling is to relax and unwind and regulate my nervous system. So as long as that's happening, I am happy. But if you're doing any puzzles this summer, I would love to know what they are in the comment section down below.
And finally, friends, I wanted to give a quick Watson update. I love having a dog again. We go on walks every day. He is my bestie and always at my side. And Watson is very popular. He received a very chic gift from Doggistry, who sent him their beautiful harness to try, and it is such a luxurious and sturdy and comfortable for him harness. I love it. It's in this denim color, and it has a matching leash and a matching bag that holds the doggy bags for when they go to the bathroom. So anyway, I wanted to share this company with you, Doggistry. It is a woman-founded company, small business, and they make amazing pet products, so go check them out. I hope that you enjoyed this elegant summer vlog, everyone. Thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring. You can get free shipping and 365-day returns with Quince. Just check out my links below or scan the QR code. Thank you for joining me today, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.